Grand Rising. I can't even say Grand Rising because I think it's like 1 o'clock or something. But today is my mother Candace birthday. Boop, boop. Happy birthday, yes sir. But so I'm gonna spend the day with her, see what she got going on, see what we get into, and yeah, I think I'm gonna vlog it for real. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all see what we get into. Y'all see what's up. And yeah, point blank period. All right.
Ángel la ciencia.
Ellis, Summer, Gang, Bricks, Rowdy.
So I am currently on my way to the mall to meet Candace. And yeah. Yes sir. I'm hungry, y'all. Like I'm real life hungry. I'm probably gonna get something to eat from the mall. I don't know. Unless you trying to go out to eat, then we might do that. I don't know what she got planned for today. I'm just driving. Like, she say go here, we going there. She say meet me here, I'm meeting her there. Like, that's all I could do. Like, shoot, it ain't my day. So, y'all just gotta rock with me, bear with me, and see what it do, what it do, what it do, what it do. Yes, sir. Alright. It's the birthday girl, y'all. This is what I was talking about earlier. Y'all already know. I should already know by now. Like, come on now. Let's get it together. But we're in the mall. You want to go to Rainbows first so I can return this, or you want to go somewhere else? Period. What's good, y'all? Hey, yes sir, yes sir. It's your girl Ashani. So today we're gonna finish celebrating Candace's birthday, and we're about to go meet up at the gun range. Oh snap! Like, this is my first time shooting a gun, y'all. Like, for real. Like we gonna see how this go. Like, I'm a little nervous, but the only reason I'm nervous though is because, you know, I be seeing people shoot guns and then they be like, whoa, you feel me, like a little, or hurt their shoulder or whatever. So I'm just like, we gonna see what happens for real. I don't know nothing about nothing, but yeah, this should be fun for real. Do a little pow pow, you feel me? And yeah. And then I think we're either going out to eat or she's cooking dinner. But either way, about to eat good tonight. About to eat good tonight. About to eat, so you know. But for real. So yeah, I'm about to make my way to the gun range right now. She already said that her and Danny is on their way there. So yeah, see y'all in a minute. Okay. Yep.
I'll be real. This is what we get for the house. Like when we get a big house, this is what we get right here.
Right in the camera.
Right here.
Yeah. Alright.
No, not the right. Exactly what we get for the house.
Snap. You gotta watch your class, y'all. Like, in the classroom. Hey.
I'm about to go in the classroom.
What's going on, yo? This really feels like the classroom. Like, oh, I guess it makes sense, you feel me? They don't want us to die or anything. But let me pay attention. I'm crying. We in here, y'all. We in here like slow wave. You feel me?
Ready?
Oh, that be hurting my chest.
It gives you anxiety at first, but just fine.
That shit loud as fuck.
How you feel? I think she said she liked it.
I'm nervous, y'all. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but I'm nervous. Not gonna hold y'all.
I'm not gonna hold it.
I be feeling that in my body.
You got niggas in that big ass AR. So you must be hearing that loud ass shit.
Oh my gosh.
This shit gonna go. This shit gonna go.
Not bringing it in. Yep, widen that stance, toes forward. Yep, keep it lifted up. Good, just like that. So it wasn't that bad.
Over here somewhere.
We lit.
No, you're good.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Who was that?
Probably Dinker? Oh no, he ain't even loaded up.
Go yet.
So this side right here.
Yo, I'm scared.
Yeah, I think it's
Go ahead, you want to see
it's like the second. Yeah. Like there's this legendary kind of like feeling behind them.
This is my turn.
Did you go back into your memories?
Huh?
Okay. You went back into your memories?
What? Oh, alright. Girl, you
It's supposed to do that.
No, that shit be scaring me. Like, I don't want to, double back on me. Fuck.
You can tell.
That may take me out for the couch.
You gotta
I was gone.
She only put one in.
Damn. You're the best. You're the best of the best of the best.
Do it again so I could record.
Don't be scared. Just shoot.
Lit.
Man, this what niggas look like. Oh, Wiggins. I be out here like my little man, you feel me? But yeah, this what we do out here. You heard?
Look at that smoke. I ain't seen smoke.
Let me see what that Glock look like.
I ain't seen smoke. I ain't seen smoke before.
You shot the Glock? What is that?
It's a Glock.
I mean,
Yup.
It was lit. I'll be real, when you start coming to town, this could be a move.
You so happy?
This could be a move every time you come.
No. One trigger at a time.
One trigger at a time.
Yo. Woo!
What lanes?
10 and 11.
11.
Everyone enjoy themselves.
It was lit.
It was.
Shoot shit anyway.
I definitely enjoyed myself.
I'm about to start shooting six some more.
Not for
I had
real,
fun.
okay? That was, yeah. I'm definitely coming back again and again and again.
I
Did you
gotta get
enjoy
used to
it?
that boom, boom.
I'm just waiting for my school shooter moment.
Oh, alright. Now, off to the food, because we hungry.
Ángel la ciencia. Ellis, Summer, Gang, Bricks. Yeah. Rowdy.